latch, a security latch for the clothes. So we're gonna use a fire lighter to take this out. Gonna put it in a bag. Try and get it in, y'all. So we won't burn them clothes. So we just put the plastic trash around the latch. Fire torch. So this should work the trick. You have to penetrate the fire torch, the fire lighter. I hope I don't run out of gas on this. Okay. So this should work the magic trick. Once that ladder go through the plastic material, it should melt. You see the fire lighter going through the plastic? Once it penetrates through the plastic, it's gonna burn the plastic off. This should work the magic trick. Should make sure there's enough fire around the plastic top. Then we're gonna use a screwdriver. Just be careful not to burn yourself, okay? You see? Use the flathead screwdriver to penetrate through the plastic. And little by little it's gonna work. It's gonna rip the plastic off. It's gonna take time, but it's gonna work. And try to make sure that plastic bag don't go on top of that fire. Okay. So you rip the plastic with the flathead. And make sure I be careful with my hands. See? It came off. So this is how the latch come out. With a lighter. Just make sure. Oh, gotta go through here. Okay, take it out. This worked the magic trick. See, y'all? So we got it out, you see? This is how y'all take out the latch, screwdriver, and with a fire lighter. It's gonna work the magic trick, y'all. So like and subscribe, King Production. How to take out a closed security attacher from a closed material. It's gonna work the magic trick, y'all. Remember, fire lighter with a flathead screwdriver. Please like to my channel, King Production. Oh yeah, have a good blessed day. I'm out. King Production. God bless everybody.